morning, student. So now we are going to be discuss the length of open build drive. So how to calculate the length of open build drive? This is open build drive. Okay. So that is simple. This is a simple configuration diagram of the open build drive. This is the big pulley and this is a small pulley, and where the alpha, you can see this angle alpha is the wrap angle of the pulley, and r1 is the radius. This the r1 is the radius of big pulley and r2 the radius of a small pulley. Okay, then the x is the distance between the two between the two pulley. So dear students, so we have to be find actually what we have to length of the belt. How can you find? Just you can calculate the arc GJE plus EF plus arc EFKH, FKH and HGH or HG. Just to add all the value, you will get the length of the belt. Or another term you can say that you can also just double the arc JE and this length EF and E and FK. Just double it and you will also calculate the length of the belt. So for the finding the this we need to this angle, we know that this angle is the 1 pi by 2 and this is alpha. Here this total angle is pi by 2 and this is a minus 1. Okay, so here need to be find out the alpha. So we one construction work we have done here to make the calculation easy. We have put a parallel line of EF from O2 to M. This is O to M. This is parallel of the EM. Understood? So and it's perpendicular to the O1 E here, and this will be angle alpha will be because this pulley is turned by the wrap. This is turned by the alpha, so this will be reflect here also. So here we have to find the value of alpha. So value of alpha we can find out by calculate the sine alpha. So in this right angle triangle, so you can calculate the sine alpha. Sine alpha will be O1 M upon O2. This is the O1 O2. Okay, so we can find out the sine alpha. Okay, so and indirectly we can find out the value of the alpha, and whatever we require we can calculate with the help of this configuration diagram. So now let's come to the diagram. What I have explained, that what is the written here, and that is the length of this. Length of this is here mentioned the arc JEAE again EF plus arc FFKH plus this length, then or double of these things I already told you, and then find a sine alpha. Sine alpha is equal to this in this triangle. You can see that this will be O1 M upon O1 O2. That this O1 you can write this O1 E minus EM. Understood? The O1 E, listen to me, that O1 E is equal to R1 and this is equal to this O2 F. You can this one. So this is the R2. This length is the this length this so this length is x, you know that. So we can find out, and since the alpha is very small, so sine alpha so we can say sine alpha is equal to R1 minus R2 upon x, because it is very small. So this arc JE, you can see this arc JE, we can say the R1, this radius of this, and pi by 2 plus alpha. Similarly we can find this, that arc the R2 pi by 2 minus alpha. Then now we can find out the value of this EF, or which is parallel to the O2M. So it can be calculated that EF M O2 is equal to, so this we can find out is this in from this right angle triangle. So that will be O1 O2 ka square minus O1 ka square. Then O1 A2 you already know that the value of the x, and then O1, that is O1 M, it is O1 M was R1 minus R2 ka whole square. So just solve it. So take the x outside, so it's become like this, and exponent by expanding this by binomial theorem. So binomial theorem through we can solve this one. So EF is equal to, you can say the x is there, 1 minus 1 by 2 r1 r2 x plus. so so this time we can say, we can write down it, so actually square is there, one is the square is there, 1 by 2 square must be square here, so we can add it, square must be there. So this, no, 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 no. So value of square you can't add here, square value we can say, we can add here, we are add here. Okay, that's great. So we can say solve is this, and then after solvation then putting the all the value here, and final solving is after solve this we can get the solution here. And now the last we just put the value of x, and of what will be the final expression of length of the belt will be pi r1 plus r2 plus 2x r1 minus r2 k square upon x. Okay, then angle of contact of small pulley will be 180 minus 2 alpha. Understood? Angle of contact is called this is called the angle of f to ear pura. You can see that the 180 minus 2 alpha, and here, and for the larger pulley, that you can see that 180 this and this 2 minus. Okay, thank you so much.